Caitlin,
Yeah.
where are we going?
Beach.
I can't hear.
The beach.
Is it easy to get to the beach?
I don't know.
Have you been to the beach before?
Yeah.
Speak up. Come on then, let's go to the beach because it's really hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on then. Show me the way.
Dad, you already know where the beach is.
Where?
Down here.
Come on then. You've got to show me. We've got to be careful though, haven't we? Slow down. Oh, look at that.
What? What?
It's really hard.
Huh?
It's really hard to get down here. You be careful.
This is a slipping bit.
Oh, is it? You wouldn't want to come down here in the rain? What's that you can hear?
River.
The what?
River.
Oh yeah. Careful.
Can that see feet really close now?
Oh yeah. Go on.
You're there.
Oh yes.
There's steps, so you have to go down the steps.
Okay. Oh then.
Those steps.
Okay.
Down these.
Yep.
She's gone out now, Dad. Gone out.
Oh, it ain't that far out, is it? Oh, so shall we walk to the boats?
Yes.
We'll have to climb through some rocks.
Oh no.
Come on then. We'll see you all in a bit. Thank you.